local job, iPhone 6. They requested the order online using our iPhone Repair 24, the repair link, and everything was just done there. So we got an email, so we are driving there right now, and we're gonna meet them at a Starbucks on Vermont and Hollywood, which is right in Las Vegas Village, heart of Las Vegas Village, and we will be there soon, and we'll keep you updated of how it goes, and stay tuned for some magical show coming your way. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, we finally got here at Starbucks for our Las Vegas Village customer from Beverly Hills. We were driving the past hour and 10 minutes, actually 14 minutes, and we just got here and we are trying to figure out which model phone was from based on the order that we submitted, which I'll show you right now. That's how it looks like, the order. Once it's submitted, it just goes here, shows their information, their address, and I'll back that off a little bit, but so it's a black iPhone 6. Okay, inch screen. Okay, so that's about it, and we'll see you right now, and we'll get that on camera so you can get to see what we do right now. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back in a minute. Thanks. Actually, in a second. Peace. Cut. Here we are going to meet our customer, Starbucks. Lock the doors. There we go. Here it is. He's wearing all black, so we gotta look for Men in Black. Yeah, just like the movie. Hey, how are you? Good. I was like, I have to look for Men in Black, you know, like the movie? Yeah. Literally. I'm just gonna... Yeah, that's easy. Well, I consider... No, it's fine, it doesn't matter. They're actually better, so this way I'll kind of feel like I'm part of here. I'm not like just like a trespasser, you know? Yeah, it's fine, it's totally fine. We're all good. And I also put a mat here, so it's totally safe, you know? Sounds good. And what I do is, all my repairs, I just put it on camera, not that you have to be inside. It's for my blog.
I get it.
This way I bring comfort to people to trust me to at their house, business, or landmark.
I get it. It's like doctors in the delivery room.
Even with like Yelp on video.
Yeah.
I mean, which is a pretty cool idea. I think like people should literally consider YouTube like almost like a Yelp. If you have your own channel, it's like a Yelp video, right?
Yeah.
Genius. Yeah.
There's nothing that I feel like other than I put the sticker on after I grabbed it.
Awesome. Beautiful. That's smart. And the sticker is super thin.
Well, today it's funny because I got...
Don't spend like $400-$500.
I got both my kids. They both have iPad 2, second generations. Mm-hmm. So it's not like right now they've got anything like that's crazy expensive. So I took an iPod 1 and I took an iPad, first generation iPad.
Right.
And an iPad 2 16 gig Wi-Fi only. And to Best Buy, trade-in. And I got a $149 Best Buy credit combined.
Right. Wow, that's horrible. Here you go.
You want to know what's so funny?
What they have?
Yeah. So, like, for example, that's how I knew about the iPad 2 trade-in at Best Buy because...
And you go to Stick Deals?
No, then you go to this website here, camel.com, camel. And you type in...
That's a cool website.
Check it out. It shows you the price history.
Wow.
Right? So it'll tell you...
That is... I'm going to put this on.
No, but here's the... Yeah.
Look at that. Camel.com.
Yeah. So, for example, you can type in desired price, right?
Yeah.
And I'll put in $7,000.
Right.
Right? And then you can put in either your Twitter or your email, and if it ever on Amazon goes to the price that you want to pay, you get an
Wow,
email that
so it has like kind of like the stock market when you know like Scott Trade when you can put a price that you sell and buy for you.
Exactly. It's
Genius.
almost like that. So now something like this, not something you need right away. But but something like this, but that's not expensive.
it's
when it goes on sale, it goes on sale for $1,000 less.
Yeah.
It's
So
not $10.
it's definitely worth it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So,
mean,
like, the things
because
that I have
it's
on there.
expensive. So like any kind of a thing, it's a chunk of sale,
Exactly.
not like a slight sale.
So that's why this is the best for things that you don't
awesome.
that you don't need right away.
But
Exactly,
you
but
don't want to have
want.
the luxury. Yeah. Want it,
I normally use it with my iPad Mini, but it's called a Mountie.
Mountie.
And it has different pads depending on what devices you use it with.
Right.
So because I'm using it with a MacBook Air,
Mountie.
yeah, it's called a Mountie, and then
Mounty.
And if IE.
Oh,
Yeah,
Mountie. Mounti.
E.
E.
Yeah.
Oh, Mountie.
Yeah.
I just spelled the wrong way. You're like no. Like, and then
MOUNTIE. And then
genius.
So
wow, it's super smart.
So what happens with the
That's
iPad?
super smart though because you never have to like literally look down. You know?
Yeah. Well, but here's I'll show you with the iPad.
Awesome. Mountie.
It's about to get better.
I feel like I came to like the informational the terminal of things.
Exactly.
Oh, awesome.
So here's what I need my USB.
Wow. Even that too. It's awesome.
Yeah. So what you do is you plug in the USB, and then there's a few different apps. The one I use is called Duet.
Duet, yeah.
You know Duet?
Don't tell me you're gonna do like a two screen.
Yeah.
Crazy, like a mirror.
So what's great is
That's crazy.
you can choose how you want to do your setup.
It's freaking awesome, man.
So watch. Now it's connecting right now.
That is so cool.
Launching Duet.
Duet, D-U-E-T, huh?
Yeah. So here I can take this tab.
Wow, that is freaking awesome.
So which is great if I'm watching a YouTube video.
Oh man, because I have like 3 screens in my home office, and I use I have a Mac Pro anyways. But I mean, it's a tower.
This
No, but this is like
mobile.
smart. Yeah,
No, this makes you mobile.
because
If you had 2 of these, and you had
I mean, imagine if you had the big iPad Pro.
Yeah.
Like the big
I know
one,
what you're talking about.
then it'll be
You don't need any of
Yeah,
those.
then I mean it will be a little better.
Yeah, it's great. So what happens is on sale for $10. It says more than $20, but you only need to pay for it for the iOS. The desktop version's free. So you're basically paying it for both. And once you have it, I never put it on my iPod, on my iPhone, but I could. And
but it's just really cool.
Well, because sometimes if there's a game on or the news, I can put the news over there. And what's great is I don't have
a game and then or like there's times that you want to like take things like
128.
I learned so many things. So I learned Duet, and then I'm gonna like
Camel,
it's on the video, so I'm
camel,
gonna take notes when I'm doing editing.
Camel, Mountie.
Mountie, M-O-U-N-T-E.
I-E.
Again,
That's on Amazon. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, M-O-U-N-T-I-E. That's this thing.
Yeah, that's this.
This thing, and then Duet is to share screen on from a MacBook to an iPad.
Yeah, and then Camel.
And then Camel is for Amazon Price Watching, which it keeps track on whatever you need to buy. When it goes on sale, it'll notify you.
And I'll give you one more since I like. Here we go. You're gonna write this number down. And I'll explain to you when you see what this number is. Okay. So this is it getting it?
Oh no, sorry.
All right. Get this number is slide dial, right?
Slide dial. Okay.
What slide dial does? Anybody with a cell phone, it connects you directly to their voicemail.
Wow.
So you listen to like a 20-second commercial, and then it asks you to type in the number that you want to connect with. You type in the number.
That is genius.
Yeah, and it can. But don't tell anybody. Yeah, then you can't call that person.
Yeah, because like there's people like you don't want to call them, and because like they'll. I mean,
I know what you mean.
That. It's like you want to like tell something like that is unpleasant, or like hey, I'm not gonna come to the meeting or something.
Yeah.
But you don't want that like
what it's good is putting the ball in somebody else's court. Especially if it's business. Because if it's somebody that uses their cell phone and it's 7:30 at night and they might be having dinner with their family, you don't want to interrupt them, but you owe them a phone call.
That's also a very good one too. It's like a courtesy call instead of a bugging call. Yeah, smart.
Some people prefer it.
Smart.
And then the voicemail to them is a reminder to call you back the next day.
No, seriously, it is.
Yeah. So what happens is you're not bothering them.
It works all around. Yeah. Thank you, Andrew. This is Andrew.
Yes, Andrew.
Everything great? It worked out?
I couldn't be happier.
Great. Thank you.
Looks brand new.
And man. You heard the man. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
I gotta start a vlog now.
Alright, but thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Hey guys, I just left Andrew. He gave me a lot of tips on a lot of things. Thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er. Meantime, have a great day. Be good. Be good. Be positive. Have a great evening, and I will talk to you soon. This is Ari Gold, Phon-Er, and stay golden. Bye.